guys? Hold up. Hello, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, or else I will not post anymore. So subscribe really love me. But today we're going to be reacting to tornadoes. Tornadoes, goddammit, tornadoes. Okay, so there we go. Let's go.
The F5 tornado formed inside the box. F1. F2. F3. F4.
The game will be released on Builder. You want a more flexible visualization system? You can customize everything. Every system. Even every single. Parts. Choose whatever you like. Parts from one vehicle and install them onto another. Every modification will create a different experience. So challenge even stronger tornado. The game is not official. He is still improving. Game name Storm Chaser. It is expected to release in about 1 or 2 weeks. Want to know more about this game first? Remember to follow me. The best Storm Chaser game is the best Storm Chaser game is almost finished. The game will be released on Builder. The best Storm Chaser game is almost finished. The game will be.
I wish I could play this game, bro. I wish I could actually play this game, bro. I wish.
Get up, go! There's another tornado. We gotta go, come on! Get in the bunker! We're gonna be safe. Get the dog! I forgot, hold on. I got you. We'll be fine. What does that mean? This is Bob.
Yo, you did.
Get up, go! Good luck! We gotta go! This is my bunker! I got you! Nice! Does anyone want shit? You want shit? I guess not. Open the door! Please, let me in! I'm trying! Hurry! Outside! No!
I just got this machine that lets you create an actual tornado inside. Not one funnel, it's several, spinning inside each other. The classic shape. Bro, is this? Are you kidding me right now?
Why did I get the choke check?
Let me in! Please, let me in! Hurry! Come on! Let me in! Please, let me in! Hurry! Come on!
Give Tornado versus Lloyd Dom 1.
Let a tornado take me, please let it take me.
Made it! Oh my God! Tornado! What you doing? Go down here!
No, it's getting dangerous.
Hey, Homer, just doing a little storm chasing.
Cut it close.
Not to worry, we're safe in the van. My God, Twister got caught. My best friend in the world.
Excuse me for what to fit in.
Here comes Santa's little helper. We made it.
Friends in no joke.
Don't put bananas in my butt. Nope.
Is this tornado dangerous?
This is the Doldrums. Toto do not disturb mode. Wind speed is a flat zero. The air just drifts upward. And the ocean is like a mirror. Zero danger, zero drama.
Is this tornado dangerous?
This is a dust devil. Think of it as a tornado calm. Just some hot ground air hub in a moment. It's small, narrow, and preach you more of a curiosity than a catastrophe.
Is this tornado?
Almost hit your bro. You better be thankful. You better be thankful, yo. Just a small tornado. He will do nothing. What do you mean he? Every New Jersey tornado. Can my friend handle this tornado?
Can my friend handle this wind?
Easily. This is a DIY tornado experiment clearly lacking willpower. He agrees right through it.
Can my friend handle this wind?
He's got this. This is just a baby tornado. Your friend could crush it with one step.
My friend handle this wind.
He's got this. This is a giant dust devil. It looks intimidating, but at most it'll just get some dust in his eyes.
Can my friend handle this wind?
He's got this. This is a turbulent updraft vortex. It comes fast and leaves.
Get the real tornadoes out of here, bro. Get the real ones. Like, get the ones with the stovepipe. Get the ones with wedge. Get the ones with the cone, bro. Get some real ones, bro. Nah, get some real ones, bro.
Can my friend handle this wind?
Comes fast and leaves fast. At most giving your friend a light tickle.
Can my friend handle this wind?
He's got this. This is a medium-sized tornado. It can blow around some cardboard for fun, but it won't do a thing to your friend.
Can my friend handle this wind?
He's got this. This is a man-made fire world. Synthetic stuff poses zero threat to your friend.
Can my friend handle this wind?
He's got this. This is a large-scale tornado with immense power and extreme proximity risk. Your friend should be able to last about 2 minutes.
2 seconds.
This is Cloud.
In 2006, a tornado rode through a mobile, picked up a baby in a car seat and threw her 300 feet. Landed in the field, no injuries. She just opened her eyes and cried. In 2006, a tornado ripped.
Tropical cyclone, tsunami, hurricane. Okay. We're gonna need a hurricane next. Like natural disasters.
This mom was scared because a powerful hurricane was coming, and she called her two kids to help her. She got even more worried because their dad was still outside. That's why this little boy wanted to open the door and go out. But his mom refused because the wind and rain were so strong. Then a moment later, a shadow appeared through the heavy rain, that leaving everyone shocked. But before you seeing that, how many years would you give to your dad? 100,000 years. Click subscribe. Infinite years. Do it all. Now look. They soon realized it was their dad trying to pull off a crazy prank on his kids.
This girl was on the beach in Florida, and it looks like the perfect day. Once you see this video, you'll see what it looks like with the hurricane comes. This is what it would be like instead of a Cat 5 hurricane. This is what it would be like.
What happens if you look inside the eye of a hurricane? Every year, millions of people around the world are affected by powerful typhoons. These massive storms bring destructive winds, giant waves, and dangerous flooding that can destroy homes and entire communities. So these storm chasers had a crazy idea. After tracking the cyclone's path, they headed straight toward the eye of the storm to see what was really happening inside. But as they finally reached the eye, something unbelievable happened. First, who's your protector? People know who them was a patch of blue sky and an eerie silence unlike anything they'd ever experienced.
If you dropped a nuke on a hurricane, you
gotta get some food because I'm trying to starve. Food, that's what I would.
Please, let's go.
You gotta go.
Come on!
Stranded. Wake up!
There's a massive hurricane heading straight to Florida. And so many of you guys are always asking for bracelets or waterproof. I'll be leaving this one outside to see how it holds up. And it's supposed to be a huge Category 3 hurricane when it reaches land, so we'll see what happens. There's a massive hurricane.
She's barely hanging on for a hurricane because the hurricane wins.
Same with her brother. She's
Wake up! There's a hurricane in China! This is all we need, okay? Nothing else. Yeah, we're getting on the flight right now because we need to escape to get out of the country. Come on, Emma, let's go! Here we are! Shut up. Wait. I'm stressing. We're going down with Jim. We're landing.
Holy shit.
It's just a counting machine, right?
Yeah.
America is getting his second hurricane after just a few weeks. First hurricane made landfall, wipes out the entire U.S. from being then the second hurricane, it went tropical storm to a category 5 in a few hours, which is the highest rating a storm can receive. These are not the usual videos I post, but I thought everyone should be aware of this.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I might play some tornado games in Minecraft or type shit.